Take a ride in the 2022 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, driver attention alert system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.